Assalamu alaikum students. How are you doing? I'm your BGST teacher Soheli Farzana. Today I will discuss lesson 4 and 5 of chapter 7. Let's start. Lesson 4. Measures to mitigate effects of climate change. What is the meaning of mitigate? Mitigate means to make less severe or less painful. So how we can make effects of climate change less painful or less severe? So we have to take some measures. In case of cyclone, tornado and nor'wester situation, what we have to do? Number A, we have to first abide by the forecast and warning reports of meteorological office. So we have to follow the forecast and warning reports very carefully. Number B, planting trees around our houses. So we have to plant more and more trees, especially around our houses. Number C, controlling greenhouse gas emission. We have to decrease all greenhouse gases. How we can do that? We can use solar panel to produce more, our electricity. In this way, we can decrease our greenhouse gas emission. This is the answer of CQ 2D. Okay, you have to add more thing with this. Okay, then measures in flood situation. Number A, constructing embankments. So we have to construct dam in a planned way. Number B, constructing houses on a higher foundation so that water cannot enter our house. Number C, dredging the rivers. You know that we have dredging machine. With that machine, what we can do, we can pull out soil from the bottom of the river so that river can hold more water. Then measures in drought situation. Number A, ensuring sufficient forestation. So we have to plant more tree. Number B, putting a stop to pumping out subsurface water after proper testing. That means we have to stop pumping out all the water from underground. Then measures in river erosion situation. A, planting trees on river banks. B, maintaining river banks. C, dredging rivers on a regular basis. So same thing. Then lesson 5, effects of climate change on socio-economic sector. Because of climate change, we are suffering a lot. Especially some sectors of our economy are suffering. So those sectors are agriculture, fisheries, health, industry and social. So agriculture, we know that we are agricultural country. So when these disasters happen, our agriculture, our crops damage a lot. Okay, we will lose our expected harvest. And land for oush, paddy and jute is lessened due to floods. Then fisheries. Climate change affects the fisheries of Bangladesh from 3 dimensions. What are they? Salinity, flood and tidal waves. Salinity means salty water. So when salty water increase, it creates scarcity of sweetwater fish. Okay, and when flood happen, habitats of fishes are damaged. Another one is tidal wave. Same thing, tidal wave contributes to the increase of salinity. That means salty water increase in inland salty water increase, and so it creates scarcity of sweet water fishes. Then health. Sewerage systems sometimes go out of order when these type of floods and river erosion happen. As a result, epidemic break out, especially diarrhea. At that time, this type of diarrhea, skin disease, this type of disease happen. Then industry. We know that our industry depend on raw materials, and most of the raw materials comes from agriculture. So we already know agricultural products are damaged because of these disasters. So industries suffer from shortage of raw materials. Then social. Social problem happen. What happened? This disaster. When these disasters occur, people become poor and destitute. They move from one place to another. Especially village people, they come to the cities, and cities become overcrowded. And these people become climate refugees, and they started to do different type of criminal activities because they are not employed. They don't have job to do, so our social discipline hampered. So what we can do, we can summarize all our problem like what? When these type of disasters happen, we are facing many problems, and they are our crops are damaged, so our food crisis happen. Then unemployment happen. Transport system and communication system are destroyed. Livelihood, houses are destroyed. Homeless people increases. Then environmental pollution are happening. So all these problems we face. So that's it. Now let's do the exercise. Multiple choice question. In which season does river erosion occur in Bangladesh? Answer will be monsoon. Then causes of river erosion in Bangladesh are: course of rivers is not straight, weak structure of soil of river bank, various kinds of trees are on river banks. Answer will be, of course, 1 and 2. That's meant, and that's win number C. Rupsha, a girl of Cox's Bazar, was home and she was listening to a radio. She, along with her family members, were worried to hear the latest weather warning on the radio and started for the shelter. So number 3, what kind of weather warning did Rupsha hear on the radio? The answer will be yes, cyclone, number A. Number 4, Rupsha was worried because the whole R may be submerged. There will be consecutive tremors. The warning message instructed to go to shelter. The answer will be number A, 1 and 2. Then CQ we already, I think I already told you the answer. Number C and D, you can find it from lesson 2. Then CQ2, I already told you the answer. Number A, only this one is left. What is the name for a storm with a very high speed? The answer will be cyclone. Okay guys, now half-yearly syllabus, we have completed our half-yearly syllabus. So half-yearly syllabus will be chapter 1 to 7. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.